teaching you how to make a ringtone. So first you want to go to YouTube, okay? Then what you want to do is you want to type in anything, okay? You want to type in a song or anything. And then what you want to do, when you see the one you like, you go press it. And then you pause it. And then you press share. And then you press copy the link. And then what you want to do, if you do not have this app, you want to go to the App Store. Type in documents. And then download Documents by Riddle, okay? I already have it downloaded. So after, what you want to do, you want to search in YouTube space MP3 and then converter. And then you'll see something which says ytmp3.cc. You want to press that. Then you want to paste it. And then it's going to show initializing. You press not download now. You have to press the one under the name of the song or anything. Not the one beside play now. You press it. And then it'll come. And then what you want to do, you want to press save to Documents/iCloud. Select folder. Okay? That folder selected. Okay? Now you press done. Okay, now since I already have this downloaded, I don't want to show you guys what it sounds like, but I am going to delete it. Okay? I have many ringtones. Okay, guys? So you're in Documents, and then you want to go to Documents/iCloud. And you want to click it. You don't want to click it or anything. You want to see if it's there. Then you need to have GarageBand installed. You need to +1, go to audio recorder. Then you see the one beside the audio recorder. You wanna press that. Okay? Then what you wanna press is the plus sign in the tiny corner. And then bring it all the way to 30. Then you press this type of Hot Wheel loop track. And then you wanna press Files. And then you wanna hold it, and then you'll see that it's allowing you to drag it. And then you click on it and you press loop. You want to get out. You want to get out. Try and find the one that you're looking for, okay? Select. It's not allowing me to select it, but wait. You want to press share. And then you want to press ringtone. And then you want to name it. And then you want to export. It's saying exporting as a ringtone, okay? You press OK. You exit again. You go to settings. You type in ringtone. And then you'll see either marshmallow, and then look at that thing.
I don't really care about what they say. I'ma come back like a boomerang.
The file. absolutely perfect ringtone on iOS. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all in